Hello and welcome to our channel where we provide you with helpful tips and tricks for everyday life. Today, we're going to show you how to tie a tie in just a few simple steps. Whether you're getting dressed for an important job interview, a wedding, or a special event, this skill will come in handy. Step 1. Drape the tie. Start by draping the tie around your neck with the wide end on your right side. And the narrow end on your left side. Make sure that the wide end is longer than the narrow end by about 12 inches. Step 2. Cross the wide end next. Cross the wide end over the narrow end and bring it up and over the loop around your neck. Then, bring the wide end down and behind the narrow end. Step 3. Cross again now. Cross the wide end over the narrow end again. Bringing it up and over the loop around your neck a second time. Step 4. Loop and pull. Take the wide end and bring it down through the loop that you just created at the neck. Then pull it tight to secure the knot. Step 5. Final touches. Adjust the knot and the length of the tie until it's at the desired height and length. Make sure that the knot is centered and the tip of the tie is touching your belt buckle. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully tied your tie. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it will come in handy for your next formal occasion. With a little practice, you'll be able to tie your tie with confidence and ease. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks, and let us know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see in the future.